Hey guys, I'm Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales, and this is a 66 GTO, correct 389 under the hood, beautiful black interior, the top goes down, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom is. We're gonna pop the hood and fire up the motor. We're gonna go out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your GTO investment. So come on up and we're gonna fire it up for you right now. Check this beauty out, man. The chrome looks good. The grille looks great. That Pontiac emblem looks beautiful. The trim around the headlights looks great. And look at that black paint, man. It is slick as can be. Look at the reflections in there, man. I can see that I'm gonna need a haircut pretty soon. Everything is just beautiful. The hood is fitting real nice. It's nice and flush. The line's nice and straight. Wheel lip moldings look good. It's got BFGs on it. Trim on the wheels looks good. The paint on the wheels look good. The GTO emblem looks great. That rocker molding looks good. All the stainless is in good shape. Now it is showing this is probably all original here on top of the windshield, showing just a little bit of age there. The whiskers look like they're original to the car, which that tells me that this car was very well cared for since 1966. Look at that door jamb, all sealed up and painted beautifully. New rubber here, door panel looks good. And oh, I forgot to mention, it's a 4-speed, guys, and it's got a tilt column in it. Wood on the dash looks like it's original also. Center console also looks original. Now the seats, front and rear, are looking great. The carpet's looking great. All the handles in here, they all look original and they look to be in great shape for 1966. This baby's about 4 years younger than me, so that makes it 52 years old. It's a sweet ride right here, guys. Oh, and did I mention the top goes down? Oh, that's right, there's no top up right now. Hey, if you want to check out pictures of it with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We've got a bunch of pictures of it there. Now, the chrome on the back bumper looks good. The trim panel across the back here, this also looks original to the car. It is in beautiful shape for original condition. Emblem looks good. Inside the trunk, look at that. Looks just like from the factory, guys. Look at that, beautiful. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Those wheel wells are nice and clean. It does have the jack on the spare tire. It's got an electric antenna there. Looks like there is a CD player there also. All the paint work here in the trunk area looks good. Paint work on the bottom side looks good. The lips here on the deck lid are in good shape. Now look down the side of this black car. Look how nice and straight that is. Can you imagine the hours the painter had in this baby blocking it to get it this beautiful so he could paint it black? Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. We've got about 220 cars in stock today, and we own every one of those cars. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. Now, we're bringing in between 40 and 45 new cars every month, and I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, GTO Convertible time, guys. She's black and sounding great, 4-speed. Tell you what, there's nothing better than a GTO Convertible. That 4-speed just makes it that much better, guys. It's beautiful weather to go for a ride in a convertible. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this convertible GTO anywhere in the world. So you just give us a call at 248 974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to ship this dream to your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Just give him a call. If you want some help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got 3 bankers we're working with right now. They make it really easy for you. Look at that, driving with no hands, guys. Look at that, downshifting. Anyway, the bankers will have you on the phone for about 15 minutes and we'll get this dream parked in your driveway. If you'd like to fill out that bank app online, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Real easy to fill out online also. Now look down here on the dash. It looks like we got the speedo working, the tach's working, the blower's working. Does look like it's got an aftermarket radio in it. Horn's working, windshield wipers are wiping. It's ready to go, guys. Give us a call. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. If that man is awake, he's answering the phone and parking this dream in your drive. Now, we don't get a lot of visitors here at Vanguard. Most of our customers buy sight unseen, but boy, do we love to have you guys come out and check out the cars. So please, if you can make time, come visit us. Come check out the car yourself. If you want to send an inspector, no problem. We'll treat the inspector just like we'd treat you. We're right outside of Detroit, only 20 minutes from the airport. We're here on Saturdays. Just call Tom, let him know that you're coming so we can have your favorite car out front so it's easy to get to. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So you gotta stick with us. We're gonna do something nobody else does. We're gonna put this car in the air so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood and see what's making that music coming out of those tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this GTO now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see the trunk floor looks good, the drop downs look good, and I tell you what really looks good is that 3-inch exhaust, man. That is some heavy duty stuff right there. Now we got right around a 411 gear in here. We rolled it over and counted it, and it is posi. Everything back here is nice and tight. Looks like the shocks are fairly new. On the brakes, the guys will pull those brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. They've used the nice hangers on this, so the exhaust system looks great. Got Flowmaster mufflers here. Floorboards look like they've got factory undercoating, and they all look original and solid as a rock. Frame also looks great. I always check the low area of the frame right here. That's the first place you want to look on every one of these. This frame looks great. They've got a crossover in the exhaust also. We got the Muncie 4-speed here with the stock clutch assembly, and it looks like the stock bell housing also. We do have disc brakes up front. Looks like those backing plates are brand new. The flex lines look brand new. The bushings on the sway bars look new. Shocks look fairly new. I mean, everything about the bottom side of this car is nice and clean. Now the front frame horns, they're nice and straight also. Bottom side of the radiator's nice and clean. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. I tell you what, she's beautiful, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, the trim rings look good, center caps look good. We got BFGs, and it looks like it's 225/70 14s. Let's check the rear. Out back, again, trim ring looks good, center cap looks good. We've got the same size tire, 225/70 14s. Make sure you always check that lip right there. All I feel is where that inner warehouse goes out to the quarter, and I can feel just a little bit of that undercoating they got applied to there. And always check the pinch weld and the bottom of the rocker. See how clean the bottom of that rocker is? That's good quality car right there, guys. Let's get under the hood. All right, we're under the hood now, and this is exactly what you want to see under the hood of your GTO. 389. Now this does have the correct suffix of the MT marking and the 335 horse. We do have an Edelbrock polished intake on it. It does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. It looks like it does have an electric choke on it. Power brakes, power steering, firewall's nice and clean. Period correct distributor under the hood here. It does have headers added. Looks like the shocks are fairly new. Radiator's in good shape. She's a beauty, guys. She's a GTO, the top goes down, she's painted black, it's got a 389 under the hood and a 4-speed shifter. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.